Hi, kindergarten. It's Miss Willie, and I'm here to work with you on a new fact concept. So we're going to be working on subtracting half of a double. And we're going to be having these types of problems on your math worksheet. So I wanted to kind of teach you a little mini lesson first so then you know what we're identifying when we go through our fact sheets, okay? So I have an example on my whiteboard. 2 plus 2 is 4. Is that a double fact we know? Easy peasy, right? We know that 2 plus 2 is 4. But do we know what 4 minus 2 is? I like to think these numbers as working as a team. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. So 4 minus 2 is 2. You're right. Those numbers work together as a team. So this problem is called subtracting half a double. So we're going to do a little bit bigger numbers now. So Miss Willie is going to do this problem. And then I'm going to see if you can help me with the answer, okay? So the first problem is 6 plus 6 is 12. Is that a doubles fact we know? Yes. Now remember, the numbers work together as a team. So this is subtracting half of a double. So 12 minus 6 is 6. You're right. So those two numbers are a double. The answer is 12, okay? 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Let's do another one. I'm going to do big numbers now. In fact, I'm not even going to fill out the doubles fact. I want to see if you can help me. What is 9 plus 9? 18. You're right. 18. Now, this is going to be subtracting half of the double. So if you have 18 and you take 9 away, what is the answer going to be? You're right, 9. Remember, those numbers work together as a team. So this type of problem is called a subtracting half of a double. Okay, let's try one more. Oh my goodness, I'm going to try to make it tough. I'm going to do, I don't know, this might stump you. Boys and girls, what's 10 plus 10? 20, good job. Now, this is tricky. If I have 20 and I take 10 away, subtracting half of the double, what's the answer? You're right, it's 10. You guys are too smart for Miss Willie, okay? So today and the next week or so when we're doing our facts, Miss Willie's gonna have you identify subtracting half the double problems on our worksheets before we start them. Just like we did with our difference of 1, just like we did with our difference of 2. Good job today. Hi kindergarten, it's Miss Willie again. Hopefully you just watched a video teaching you how to do a new fact that we're learning. It's called subtracting half a double. If you haven't watched that yet, go ahead and stop and have mom and dad find that video first because it's going to help you do your facts today, okay? So here's the sheet and we're going to go ahead and we're going to identify the problems. Oh, first I need to tell you which one it is. It is 131B. Look for the problem that's 131B. That's the side we're doing today. So you are going to help me find the problems that are subtracting half a double, okay? We're going to do it together. So think about doubles facts and think about what those two numbers add up and what the answer is. So we have 4 minus 2. Is that subtracting half a double? It is. We know that 2 plus 2 is 4. So 4 minus 2 is half a double. And I'm not going to give you the answer, but hopefully you know it. Let's look at the next one. 10 minus 9. Is that subtracting half a double? No. What about 14 minus 7? Winner, winner, chicken dinner. You're right. That's subtracting half a double. 6 minus 4? No. 3 minus 2? No. 5 minus 5? No. 18 minus 9? Yes, subtracting half a double. 5 minus 3? Nope. 8 minus 7? Nope. 16 minus 8. Yes, go ahead and circle it. That is subtracting half a double. Let's look at the next one. 8 minus 4. That is, good job, circle it. 3 minus 0? Nope. 10 minus 5? You're right. 9 minus 7? That's a difference of 2. 4 minus 3? That's a difference of 1. 10 minus 8? Difference of 2. 12 minus 6? Yep, winner, winner. Difference, or sorry, subtracting half a double. 10 minus 2? Nope. 6 minus 3? Good job, guys. One more. 7 minus 6. Difference of 1, okay? So now make sure that you have your name up at the top, and Miss Willie is going to give you 2 minutes to work on it. Remember, you can go through and you can do the circled ones fast if you would like to. Do those subtracting half a doubles first, and then you can go through and do some of the trickier ones, okay? And the goal is to do it in 2 minutes. I'm going to set my timer. Remember, if you finish, you can go back through and you can double check those answers. Okay? Ready, set, go. About 10 more seconds, boys and girls. Time's up. How did you do, boys and girls? It is time to stop. We're going to go ahead and we're going to get out you can use a crayon or a marker if you want, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to check your answers. So remember, if you got it correct, you're going to give it a dot. If you didn't get it correct, you'll cross it out and write the right answer next to it. And if you missed one, fill in the answer. Are we ready? I want you to say the answers loud and proud. 4 minus 2. Well, I know that 2 plus 2 is 4, so 4 minus 2 is 2. 10 minus 9. That's a difference of 1. They're right next to each other on the number line. 14 minus 7. 7 plus 7 is 14, so 14 minus 7 is 7. 6 minus 4? 2, you're right. 3 minus 1? Sorry, 3 minus 2 is 1. I gave you the answer. 5 minus 5? Oh, 0. Easy peasy. 18 minus 9. Now, I know that 9 plus 9 is 18, so 18 minus 9 is 9. 5 minus 3? 2. 8 minus 7? 1. 16 minus 8? 8 plus 8 is 16, so 16 minus 8 is 8. Good job. How you doing so far? Let's look at the next one. 8 minus 4 is 4. You're right. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. 3 minus 0 is Easy. 3. 10 minus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Those numbers work together as a team. 9 minus 7 is 2. Difference of 2. 4 minus 3, 1. 10 minus 8. Ooh, that's a tricky one. 2, you're right. Difference of 2. 12 minus 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 10 minus 2, 8. 6 minus 3. Oh, I know 3 plus 3 is 6, so 6 minus 3 is 3. One more, boys and girls. 7 minus 6 is 1. So proud of you. Go ahead and put your answer correct. How many you got? Remember, the goal is 20 in 2 minutes. You're doing awesome. So proud of you.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I bet you know who this is. It's Miss Pingle. You know I love math. I can't get enough of it. I'm going to be here all week next week as well, so you better get used to me. All right. I hope you have paper 131B in front of you because I'm going to begin in 10 seconds. But before I begin my countdown, I'm going to give you that 10 seconds to write your perfect first and last name. Ready? Steady. Go. 10, 9, 8. Make sure you use your best handwriting. 7, 6. Slow it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Drop. Let's begin. Number 1. Circle all the numbers that are between 52 and 75. Wow, we have been doing this all week. Remember, the numbers need to be greater than 52 and less than 75. I'll give you a moment to try to figure it out first before I do it. Is it 58? Yep. 82? Too big. Cross it off. 82 is greater than 75, so it will not fit in the middle. 69? You know it. 51? Too small. It is less than 52. 71? And 48. Nope. Hey, I kind of see a pattern. Do you see the pattern of our answers? It's an A-B pattern. A 1-2, back and forth. Circle, cross it off. Circle, cross it off. Circle, cross it off. All right, what temperature is shown on the thermometer? Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Mrs. Pingle does not have it shaded in. I hope you do. But have no fear because I'm going to try to problem solve. Now on my copy, it kind of looks like 80, 90, 100, and 110 have straight lines across, but the ones with 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 10, 0, -10, -20 kind of have gaps in the middle, so I'm thinking that it's shaded in right there. So that's what I'm hoping yours looks like. If not, just do your best. So I'm going to start at 80, where my circle is in the middle of the thermometer, and I'm hoping mine is shaded in right there, because as you can see, there's an opened line straight down. So I'm going to guess mine is 80. Fingers crossed yours is 80 as well. If not, maybe your family can help you and say, oh, Ms. Pingle, you're silly Millie. Number 3. Write a some went away story problem using the numbers 6 and 2. Now this is where you can complete it after our video ends. Some examples might be Mrs. Pingle had 6 pieces of candy. She gave Mr. Pingle 2. How many pieces of candy does she have left? Your story needs to start with 6, and then something needs to happen where 2 go away. And then you can write the equation down below to match. So 6 minus 2 equals 4. Because remember, we want a sum, and some went away. Went away. That's subtraction. But again, I'll let you finish that at the end. We're going to keep her moving. Color 1 flower red. Now you are at home. You can practice that high quality coloring, or you can put on your mathematician hat and you can label it R for red like I will do. Color 3 flowers yellow. Now again, you may color or be a mathematician and find a strategy that will help you complete it faster. And then it asks, how many out of how many flowers is red? Well, I know that 1 flower is red, but there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. A total of 4 flowers. 1 of the 4 flowers is red. We can also challenge ourselves and write the fraction 1 out of 4. Ooh. Number 5. How many pennies are shown? Whoa, that looks like a whole bunch of pennies. But I know that these are groups of 100. 100, 200, switch it over, 210, 220, 230, stop, 231. That's going to be a challenging number to write. Let's see, there are 2 groups of 100, 3 groups of 10, and 1 extra one. So just put them together, 231. Nailed it! All right, and I'll let you finish the 2-digit subtraction and addition coins all by yourself. We have been practicing this a very long time, so I will give you a few moments to let you do that, and then I will come back and show you the answers. Before you begin, remember you're going to start with the groups of 1, and then you're going to go to the groups of 10. So I will highlight the area you will start with. Don't forget to subtract when you need to subtract, and make sure that you add when you're supposed to be adding. Ready? Go. Don't forget to whisper and write. Some of these are half a doubles that we've just learned. And 10 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop! Drop. Watch the equations for me to write the answers. 68 minus 21, again starting with the groups of 1. 47 cents. 70 plus 29. Again, I'm going to start with the groups of 1. 99 cents. 86 minus 76 would be 13 cents. And lastly, 32 plus 7 would be 39. Now, if you did not get them correct, it's okay. It's okay. We're just trying our best with our learning. You can cross it off and try it again. And don't forget, I'll be back next week with some more math worksheets. But I will see you on Friday to help you complete the math questions. Have a great rest of your day. Enjoy your terrific Thursday. And remember, do something kind for someone. Love you, Wranglers.